Sir.
Good morning to one and all. This is Gautam Maths Academy. I am Narsimachari. Today we are discussing about number system. So first of all, I want to start from digits. So what are the digits? Let us discuss digits. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are called digits. Next, numbers. Numbers. Combination of digits are called numbers, or from 10 to infinite are all numbers. Next, types of numbers. First one, natural numbers. Natural numbers. So the definition of natural numbers is all counting numbers are called natural numbers. All counting numbers. All counting numbers are called natural numbers. The set of natural numbers is denoted by capital N. N is equal to flower bracket 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Smallest natural number is 1. Smallest natural number is 1. Greatest natural number is not defined. Greatest natural number is not defined. Not defined means infinite. Next, whole numbers. I'll repeat this one. Natural numbers. All counting numbers are called natural numbers. The set of natural numbers is denoted by capital N. N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So smallest natural number is 1 and greatest natural number is not defined. Next, second one, whole numbers. Second one, whole numbers. Whole numbers definition is natural numbers including 0 are called whole numbers. Natural numbers including 0 are called whole numbers. The set of whole numbers is denoted by W. W is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, infinite. Smallest whole number is 0 and greatest whole number is not defined. Smallest whole number. Smallest whole number is 0 greatest whole number is not defined. Next, I'll repeat this one. Whole numbers. Natural numbers including 0 are called whole numbers. Or all counting numbers including 0 are called whole numbers. The set of whole numbers is denoted by W. W is equal to flower bracket 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on infinite. The smallest whole number is 0 and the greatest whole number is not defined. Next, integers. Third one. Integers.
నాన్న ఇట్లా క్రాష్ నా గోపా